Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to learn a programming language quickly. Okay, so every language requires time and effort, and over time you'll become increasingly better. But if you need to learn a programming language quickly, I can show you how. 1. Start with the basics. With every language you need to grasp the fundamentals, and that means not skipping over the Hello World tutorial. Once you understand the data structures, you can move on to the next step. Step number 2. Learn the code by writing it out. Write out the tutorials with pen and paper. This will help you become more connected to your code and actually understand the algorithms that you're learning. There are no code completions, code suggestions, or syntax coloring that help you understand. It's just you. Number 3, don't just fork, spoon. Don't just fork your code, spoon it as well. When you manipulate and bend other people's code, you actually get a better understanding of the algorithm and how it fits in with the code base. Help me to understand YouTube's algorithm by hitting the like and subscribe button on this video. Number 4, debug, rest, debug again. It is inevitable that you're going to run into errors that will require debugging. And this is arguably the most important part of learning how to program. When you learn how to debug a piece of code, you're demonstrating proficiency, and you can leverage that knowledge in the future. Number 5, code every day. Learning to program is basically like learning to speak a new language. You have to keep practicing every day in order to learn and grow. Well, those are my 5 tips on learning a programming language quickly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.